shop. There's no one.
See how it tastes, taro leaves. Come on, Ari. Yeah, we're going. Okay. Kia ora. Yeah. Lovely stuff. Whakalofa tu makau. We're at the Ko Momongwhao Haku I Kuki Ailani. Ko au I the Edgewater. Ngoe te pai tai nui. Yeah, o mai o Momongwhao Haku ke se ka pisinga e hoana haku e mau hoana. Ko e hoana haku ka pisinga e hoana haku mau o e hoana. I don't know what I just said, but what I was trying to say was that my friend, my Danielle's best friend is getting married in Cook Islands. We're at the Edgewater. Whiawhi lahi Momongwhao Haku mitaki e la, weather's good, kikila e la. Ko awhiawhi nei e mongo nei. O maua ki whale restaurant, whale kai ke kai awhiawhi. Yeah. Kamata tei DJ. Here's the crew. Here's my Tiwapa brother. My brother here. Bev, Pakalofatu. Bro, what are you here, bro? What are you here for?
Friend's wedding. Relax.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we got the Niue brothers here. The Tiwapa boys. For the wedding. The vibes are good. Coming to the restaurant. We've got Bevan's kids. Grayson and Cleo. Yeah. Smells good. Music's playing. Happy hour. Got the lovely staff here. Kia ora. Beautiful staff. So we're going to get some extra customer service. Maybe some extra sauce on those fries. Yeah, it's pretty packed. So yeah, weather's about 20 degrees, nice and warm. Back in Auckland it was about 8 degrees when we left. Longa tau tangata palangi. Kumia motoro ke nonofo ke kai. Okay, we'll take some more when the food comes out. Yo, we're having dinner here. It's 6:30 here, and you can just see the sun setting. Me and the bro Bev, we're gonna go for a run in the morning, 6:30. So gotta get a good night's sleep. Yeah, it's pretty. The atmosphere's good. Hey Bev, bro, what did you order? What did you order?
Deep sea fish, coconut cream.
Coconut cream. Good for running.
Hope so.
Yeah. I can see why a lot of people come to Raro. Man.
My mum said the exact same thing. You've got some sticker plugs? Let's check that. It's like green as well.
Whakalofa tu makau. Pongi nei, kai pongi mongo nei. And the bro Bev again. Just never heard of it, bro. Never heard of starfruit.
It's got like a texture like an orange, but zesty.
Yeah. Alright, whakalofatu. This is what I've been coming to look for. Got the donuts in here. And the poke. So I'm gonna get one poke. Alright, hold this. And I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah. Look, they got the whole stash in there. See what this tastes like. Yo, we're in the Niue Gardens. Looks pretty cool. Not sure what this plant looks like. I know what it looks like, but I don't know what it's called. You got some lily pads. So this garden, this has 7 gardens. This is what the place is called. It's called Maire Nui ta Viko e motu nei o Mautolu ke kisia tau kisia ailani e Rarotonga whiwhia o se kai pongi nei kai continental buffet breakfast tō tahamitaki e tau fulusi. So yeah, we just, is there a $10 entry fee? Okay. An hour, 45 minutes, that's normal. It'll just take 10 minutes to eat it.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. Whakalawhatu. We're here at Village Joint. Village Joint. Karen camera. Well, we'll go and sit down. Let's get a seat. We're in the Willie's Burger. They got it online in the Google reviews.
I want a cheeseburger with fries. Double cheese. Oh, can I have double cheeseburger? Double cheese. Triple cheese. Can I have a triple cheeseburger? What about the combo?
They got pizzas,
can I have triple cheese?
burgers, fried chicken. This one was nice. For new. Was it like a coconut tutorial thing?
Yeah.
He climbed the tree and he got like, how many did he get down?
He got
Like
That's
5?
2, 3,
They're minted.
4,
It's nice
5.
though.
He got 5,000.
Yeah, it's nice.
He's got 5.
And then he showed us how to make coconut milk, eh?
And then he did a funny thing.
This is the official weather station. This is the rock. If the rock is dry, it means sunshine. If the rock is wet, rain. If the rock is white, snow. If the rock is swinging, it means it's windy. If the rock is spinning, then there's a twister. Can't see the rock, it's fog. Man, this is clever. You don't see the reef, low tide. Oh no, you see the reef, low tide. No reef, high tide. Big wave, tsunami. Humidity just right. Ouch. We just went and swam with the fishes, which was good, and jumped in the pool. Second day. We're gonna go look for some dinner. Today's been good. We drove around the whole island today. It only took about 40 minutes. We got to see what restaurants to check out. So now, yeah, now I'm gonna go back to the hotel, get changed, and go have dinner. Okay. Airera.
Happy hour! Everyone make your way to the bar. Kids stay in the pool. All adults are pussy. You want to try, my man?
Huh?
You try. And I'll film you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why not, man? I'll try to tell him. He did it last time when he was here. Wait. How do you record? The red button?
What's the secret? I think it's
recording.
I think it's recording.
Oh, you're just showing off, mate. You need to do it again. Oh, you tell them. Happy hour.
Happy hour! Happy hour! Happy hour price! My friends! Yeah. Thank you.
So, boss, what's the room number?
1018.
1018, charge.
Japan is that way. Niue's that way. Look, directions for Niue.
And I can tell.
Niue, 1,000 kilometers. I know how much.
Whakalofatu Macau. We're here at Kai Pizzas. Kai Pizzas, it looks like it got good reviews. We're meant to go to this other place, pizza and pasta, not just outside of Edgewater, but yeah, to make a booking. So if I booking a motolu, say Ohaka motolu ki Kai's Pizzas, hopefully it's good. It's a nice environment, the weather's good, it's not too hot. Got a t-shirt on and I just feel it's a nice perfect temperature, not muggy, not windy, not rainy, not cold, mitaki. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, right across the road, looks like there's a market. Yeah, look forward to seeing what it looks like.
You're out.
Kai Pizza.
You did well.
Whakalofatu Macau. Popongi. Popongi means morning in Raro. Popongi. We're here on day 3. It's the wedding today. We've been told you're not allowed any cameras or any devices at the wedding. So you're going to have to keep the camera off. But yeah, the wedding's at 3. We're gonna go have breakfast. Me and the bro Bevan went for a run. Boy, e pongi nei, went for a run. O sia boys, I oa mau ke kaukau, I tahi. Went for a swim in the ocean after. It was good and refreshing. When I got back, the kids, mohe, still sleeping. So they just, amanaki a lautolu ke kai pongi. They're just getting ready to get ready so we can go have breakfast. Exciting stuff. My skin's getting better, got a nice tan, and having a good time. Hopefully after the wedding, maybe tomorrow we might go on that Koka Lagoon cruise, something for the kids to do. And those donuts that I bought from that bakery, they were nice. I didn't even get to try one because the kids ate them, but I heard that they were nice, so we might go buy some more today. Yo, okay. Hope you're having fun in Auckland weather. Apparently looks like 8 degrees the last time we left. Niue must be warm and Aussie must be warm, but yeah, New Zealand is freezing. Makalili. Whakalofatu. Got some taro leaves here. Raro styles. And we're gonna eat it right over here. Nice view. We didn't want to go back to the hotel, so I'm gonna try this. See how it tastes. Taro leaves from Rarotonga. Mmm.
But where?
Yum.
Where? I'm gonna have my donut.
I think they made it with turmeric and pepper curry. It's really nice. Have another try of this.
Hello.
And what's your Indy? What's your leg?
Okay. Can I go to the car? Put hours money in my wallet.
Yum. Very nice. These guys are just eating. What are you guys eating?
Donut.
Donuts. They can't get over the donuts. Yum. Raro is known for their donuts, and yep. Look at this guy, all free eating.
When the guy was passing,
Yeah.
and he did this to me, and I did it back.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
It's so clear.
This is island living. Water's clear. It's not windy.
Unlike Eastern Beach.
Eastern Beach is our local swim spot in New Zealand, and
There's so much seaweed.
just not quite the same here. Yeah, but here, nice. All right. Yep. Taro leaves, winner. Winner, winner. Yo, I'm not sure what fish this is, but it came with this nice dipping sauce, a lemon, from that same place I bought the taro leaves. And yep, this stuff tastes nice. See that, you dip it in there, and then yum. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it tastes way better than a burger.
This one says one side.
So Mama's close to us. Yeah. This is
Oh, actually, it smells like Rarotonga.
Yo, we're at the reception now. The wedding was awesome, but we couldn't take any videos there. But apparently we're allowed to video record here. So they've just got a bar tab on now from 4:30 to 5:45, and then the MC is gonna start at 5:45. So we're just chilling. Awesome weather, because there's a storm coming tomorrow or the following day. So man, we timed it perfect. Someone's blessing this wedding, because before we got here it was windy as, and then now it's good weather, and then apparently in a few days time it's going to be thunderous. I heard New Zealand, it's pretty bad in New Zealand, the weather. I think the Coromandel, Hawke's Bay. Oh man, poor Hawke's Bay got hit again. Yeah, it's bad. So thoughts and prayers to Hawke's Bay. But man, out here in Raro, you can't see, but the sun. And this is the venue. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the venue spot. And yeah, it's nice. See, the sun's shining towards me, and the beach is just there. And if I go the other way, man, right by the beach. So yeah, I'm just waiting till dinner time. Thank you, Shelly and Mark, for inviting us to your wedding. Otherwise I would have never ever come to Raro, and now here I am in Raro. Ka kite. Whakalofa tu Makau. It's day 4 now. The Coca Lagoon cruise. Pukete e tau e Coca Lagoon cruise e mai ke motolo ke o. So today we're gonna try kayaking and snorkeling at Moody Beach. But here we're coming to have lunch. Ota Raro styles. So we're gonna try it. Then you want the first taste? Yeah, have a first taste. No. Yeah. So here we're just grabbing a feed. I'm not sure what this spot is called, but we got it's called the Vibe. This is where we got the raw fish from. It's called Vibe. Yeah. It's a good spot. We got the raw fish for this punnet was hongofulu matolu. Hongofulu matolu. Judging on the reaction, the whiwhi e mata e hoana haku, so it must be good. And then we got a family family feast, which is 3 fish, 2 hot dogs, and some chips, and I think some fritters. So we're just waiting for that for the kids. While me and Danielle kai e ota. Yeah. As for our other group, they went the other way of the island, so we came this way, and they gone the other way. Kehe puhala, but all good. We're gonna meet up at Moody Beach, so all good. That's what happens when you whai taki ke tau se whakaholoanga. All good, we're gonna meet there. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this raw fish. Let me have a taste. Let me see this raw fish. Yeah?
The dog almost scratched me.
Oh man, koipanga. Fresh, tasty, perfect amount of I said onion, spice. It's got spice. Tastes like it's got onion. It's got the right amount of saltiness. Not too creamy. It's real coconut cream, not that cream you get out of that red lid fresh cream. This is real coconut cream. I think they even made it themselves, and it is delicious. Let me just give one more taste just to make sure I got it correct. Perfect. If you're ever looking for a good raw fish in Rarotonga, come to this place called Vibe. They're based out on the beach, and then after this I told the kids if they behave, we're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go get some ice creams down there somewhere, just for the kids.
Wait, just for us?
This is amazing. Come to this place. This ikamata ota is the best I've had in Raro, so come down. Alright, whakaoe, kia mutolosi, we'll see you later.
Dad, this is just for me.
What?
My leg.
It's too hot.
Alright, here we go.
Maybe have chip first.
We got 3 fish,
Maybe just.
2 hot dog, and some fritter, some sipolo, and some sisipi.
Oh, you just take it.
I think we need to.
All happy. Food is nice. And I don't know if you can see, but the ocean is blue. Look at that. Oh man. Paradise.
Looks good on person.
Yeah. Island living. Fish and chips. Good company. And thank you, Cleo, for coming with us. We're gonna have ice cream after this. Yum. Yep. Mango, Indy. At the smoothie. Oh wow. Mango smoothie, mango ice cream. Is it nice? Alright. Nice? Oh, Aroi. Tastes good. So this place is good too. It's called Brews and Scoops. Must be Brews and Scoops. Oh yeah, coffee and scoops of ice cream. Do that. And then they put the Oreo. Alright, thank you, boss. Hey, Cleo. Yum. You put the actual Oreos in. Thanks, brother. Nei taki. Yep. Yum.
One with me too.
There's the coca. That's the coca trip we missed out on. And too bad we didn't book early. This is Moody Beach. It's quite common. This fella's, this guy's using his Wangahau Niue words. Sipi. Sipi and then pipi. Yeah, learning and using his Wangahau Niue. Alright. Let's drop some. That's what it looks like. Coca. Just leaving the Moody Beach. Tropical. Got the boys. That's Taekwondo's up and coming champ right here. Don't forget the name Grayson. Yeah. What a nice day. Good spot. Parking is good. Was free. Free parking. Definitely feel like I'm on a holiday now. And just happy to be here.
Okay, so what we need is 2 bowls. This one. Sorry, it's water. So 2 bowls. Yeah, 1 bowl and 1 bowl with holes. Then you pour this inside here. Make sure you pour it in the bowl. And make sure don't waste the ingredients. I think I hear hey somewhere. Is hey somewhere? Oh yeah. With chicken chop and the rest of it. There you go. So what we're going to do is strain it. So it's up to you how you want it. If you still want it a bit juicy, you can just leave it a bit more. Or if you really want to get everything out, you can just keep it.
Whakalawhatu Mako. We're at Palace Burgers, famous place. So the kids are a bit hungry. Power's been going out, so we had to ditch at the last place. Check out the menu. They got $3.50 burgers. $3.50 burgers. So yeah, we're just checking it out. Everyone's hungry. Look at this. Packed. Looks like this is the place to be. Everyone looks hungry. So there's a lot of angry faces here. Well, once they eat, then it's all good. Alright, okay, gonna go make the order. Whakalawhatu Mako. Poo. Whakalawhatu. It's our second to last day today. Aho Whalaile. It's Aho Whaiomo in New Zealand, but in Raro it's Aho Whalaile. They're 1 day behind and 2 hours forward. Mareko. We're here at the Mareko Island Souvenirs. See the mountain? Pretty cool. The bags, shirts. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, I'll go down. It's raw fish. It's from that place. Fresh fish. Man. Ooh, nah. Nah, it's alright, but I got this and it just had a bit more hey man, this one's not quite hitting it. Got me some salt. So I just pour my own salt in. Just needed more salt. This was the last one. They sold out, so I was lucky. The Fijian lady made me one spare, so thanks. I'm gonna get into this. Whakalawhatu Mako. We just finished from Onu Sportswear. We got some, come go this way. Singlet and shorts. My daughter's pretty happy. Got some nice, it's kind of like NBA style singlet and shorts. So you guys, you happy with your purchase?
Yeah.
Happy? Look at these guys. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Come on the side, come the side.
Two.
Whoa! No.
Oh, come on.
Hey, those shorts cost expensive.
No. Mosquito. Go away.
Guys,
Hello.
got our Onu gears. Waterfall's right next to the abandoned hotel.
Abandoned.
Look at that.
He got France on. He didn't care.
Here we're going back. We just left the waterfall, and we're driving back. And these roads are treacherous. Man, these roads, no love. If you have a small little 5-seater hatchback car, do not come down here speeding. Drive as slow as possible. So the waterfall, man, lots of mosquitoes, eh? Heaps of mosquitoes. When you're on the island, there's hardly any, but when you come here, man, mosquitoes everywhere. So have your mosquito repellent. The locals said not to jump in the water. Yeah, so, ooh, scary.
Abandoned hotels.
Yeah, we're driving. It looks like a jungle, like an Amazon. You look down there, it looks like it just cuts down deep. So if we fall off to the side, we're just gonna landslide to the side. It's a stream. It's down to a stream. So we're trying to go slow as possible.
That's Grayson.
It's Grayson and them. It's like dangerous as. There's a homemade bridge there. Someone just left a tree branch, a trunk. Oh, yeah. So I'll just turn the video off now.
Guys, subscribe to Indigo Eric's channel.
Here's the local SPCA on the way. Looks like it's well run. Lots of space, plenty of dogs. Yeah, nice, good work. Keep up the great work. Got some citrus orchard.
This is the abandoned hotel. It's really, yeah, like it has lots of graffiti and yeah, lots of graffiti. Okay.
This is what the hotel looks like now. So it's been renovated, looks good.
What?
If you're ever in Raro and you're looking for some good donuts, this is the place we came to. It looked like Asians in there, I'm not sure what race. But man, they know how to make their donuts. What's this called? Service center. It's just called the service center. It's nice.
Excuse me, miss. Can you pick up the crab and bring it to me? Now all the twos, raise your hand. Now you take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wherever you are, I want everyone to sit down. And as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, this is my hurdles. We're gonna put the crabs in the middle. They're gonna climb over hurdles number 2. We need a couple more volunteers. That means yes. Cameras, moms, are you ready? Because
Jackson. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, where? This is our last day. I'm not sure what this beach is called, but everyone here looks like they're having a relaxing time. Except for Indy, because she's a pooper.
You are. And when we were going to see okay, someone's having a tantrum. When we were going to see the barbecue and get something.
Yeah, there was a Niue fundraiser selling barbecue. We got there half an hour early because they're building the fale in Rarotonga, the Niue fale. They've been donated an acre of land, so now Niue are trying to build a big fale. Apparently they did one monster raffle and they got $400,000 from that one raffle. But they're fundraising 2 mil, so this place is probably going to look amazing. The land's in town, and they had a little barbecue fundraiser. I was half an hour early, so then I went back, and then they said all the food, 60 plates gone. Yeah, we're at the airport now. I was just saying before that the Niue fale in Rarotonga is happening. And how I saw it was just saw a sign saying Niue on the sign. So I did a Yui and it said Niue fundraiser. So they were doing a barbie. And they said we're half an hour early. So I figured, oh yeah, all good. We'll come back. And then yeah, we came back and man, they said the place just all sold out so fast. So I was like, damn. So a few of them are going to Niue with the dignitaries. So we'll probably catch up with them in Niue. But Ari, how was your trip? How'd you find your trip?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, everyone loves there. Everyone loves Raro. Okay, boy, kia. Tō whilewa ia.